Okay, so another element that you'll be wanting to add to your class website is an image or multiple images. So I'm going to show you how to do that using Weebly's build function. So make sure that you're on the build tab along the top here, and we're going to be using this image tab here. So I would like my image to sit between these two titles. So I'm just going to pick that button, holding it, dragging it down, dragging it over here, and I want it between these two here. So make sure you can see that little blue line that indicates where it's going to go, and just drop that one in there. It will take a little while just to load, but once it's loaded, you're looking for this blank space that has the grey upload image button in the middle. So you want to go ahead and click that one there, and there are a few options that Weebly gives you to upload an image. The first is simply to drag and drop a photo that you've saved to your computer straight in here. So it might be that it's sitting on your desktop or along the downloads bar down the bottom. You can also click this green button to upload a photo that you've stored to your computer. You can also search Weebly's photos for something to put in here. But my favorite is the image URL. So by copying an image URL, it means that you're not having to constantly save images from the internet to then upload and delete later. So I'll show you how I do that now. Through Google search, I just type in whatever it is I'm looking for, scroll down until I find one that I like. I then click it to open it. And you want to right click and select this option here, which is the copy image address. So this means that rather than copying the image or saving the image itself, you're just copying the location to this image. Okay, so now you go back to Weebly, paste that same link in and click insert. Now this can take a little while depending on the file size, so just be patient, but you'll now see my image is sitting nicely between these two titles. So now that your image is in, you might find that you need to edit it or resize it. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. To resize, you simply hover over the image. So don't click it, just notice that I'm hovering over the top here and this little blue square comes up in the bottom corner. So that is where you can click, hold and resize and make it whatever size you like. By clicking on the image, you can then make some adjustments, as you can see in this bar here. So you can edit the image. This I use for cropping images. You can also replace the image. So if you change your mind about the picture you've chosen, you can change that here. You can also align it, so change where it sits on the page and adjust the spacing, so making sure it has nice space either side of it. Now with images, you can drag and drop as many as you like. They will just keep adding on the page, and there are also the gallery and slideshow options. So if you have multiple images that you want to sit together, a gallery is probably a really good idea. So you simply click that one, hold it down, drag it over, and just wait for that one to load. And you'll see now it gives you the exact same option. So you just click that upload and you upload gallery photos from your computer. So this one, it's just only given you the option to go from your computer, and you can then select as many photos as you like and it will group them together nicely on the page. You can also do a slideshow, so simply dragging that over, dropping it where you want it, and it gives you a few slideshow options, which is really cool. So this is handy if you want it to be kind of flicking through the different photos rather than having 50 photos clogging up that one page. This is a really good option for that as well. So have a bit of a play with the image function, and if you have multiple images you want to try and put on the page, have a go with the gallery and slideshow.